India is a unique land of vibrant colors, fascination, breathtaking landscapes, and rich history. India's culture is among the world's oldest civilization. It gave birth to Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, and other religions. We are proud of our cultural distinctiveness. We are proud to be the inhabitants of India. To us, India always represents everything. Everything is here. Good morning to everyone present here. This is Minakshi Chaudhary, student of class 8, presenting today's morning assembly on the theme Incredible India. Let us start our morning assembly with God's prayer. Let us pray for all the believers in India. Let us pray for India, a nation with more than 1.39 billion people. So get ready for prayer, join your hands and close your eyes and start prayer. After prayer, India is our country and we are proud to be an Indian. The pledge shows that we are all part of one country and we are one people. Pledge instills a sense of patriotism in people for their country. So for pledge, I would like to call Dishant from class 7th. Thank you, Dishant. Incredible India came into existence to promote and boost the tourism sector of the country. India has so much potential in terms of tourism due to its culture and unity in diversity. Anyone will fall in love with the country. The name Incredible India suits India so perfectly. Let us move to the next part of today's morning assembly, that is thought of the day. For this, I would like to invite Mehek from class 7th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Mehek. Today's thought is India will teach us the tolerance and gentleness of mature mind, understanding spirit, and a unifying, pacifying love for all human beings. Thank you and have a nice day. After thought, reading news is a source of inspiration, knowledge, and finding solutions. It helps us to distinguish truth from falsehoods and lead us to connect with remarkable people and events. In the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read newspaper. For today's news headlines, I would like to invite Paramjeet Kaur from class 7th. Thank you, Paramjeet, for today's news headlines. There are many things that make incredible India. India is a land of diverse languages, caste, religion, cultures. But do we know what makes it incredible? It is something that we are all proud of. To speak few lines on Incredible India, I would like to call Pravika from class 7th. Thank you, Pravika, for such a nice speech. Our understanding of what we read and hear is, to a very large, great level, determined by our vocabulary. So let us improve our vocabulary daily by new words. For today's word of the day, I would like to invite Tanmay from class 7th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Tanmay and word of the day is improbable and the meaning is unthinkable or impossible. Let us see an example. It is very improbable that the level of unemployment will fall. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Tanmay. National anthem exhibits the patriotism, pride, and national elegance. It acts as a catalyst to the feeling of national pride. Let us show our love and loyalty to our country and sing our national anthem. So take position for national anthem and start. After national anthem, someone beautifully said that India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great grandmother of tradition. Our most valuable and most artistic materials in the history of man are treasured up in India only. And my dear friends, let us feel the beauty surrounds our country from each and every aspect. Today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.